Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make Mysore Pagu, that is the traditional South Indian sweet for Diwali at your home. Because only 10 days left for Diwali, so I thought I can share many recipes in my YouTube channel. So today the first thing I'm going to make is the Mysore Pagu. So for this recipe what you need, here I took 1 cup of besan. So can you see guys, so 1 cup of besan, and I'm going to use this measuring cup only for sugar, for ghee, everything. And here I melted the ghee. So let's start the recipe. Take a non-stick pan, add half a cup of water. So here I am adding only half a cup of water, and we are going to add 2 cups of sugar. So for 1 cup of besan, we have to add 2 cup of sugar and half a cup of water into this. So here I am adding 1 cup of sugar, and I am going to add 1 more cup of sugar. So here I am adding 1 more cup of sugar. So I added 2 cup of sugar into this, and we have to cook this one until we get one string consistency, which I will show you guys. So please remember guys, when you are cooking the sweets, please always use the non-stick pan, because they won't stick into the non-stick pan. That's why it's easy to make, and we have to mix these things together. And as I said, we have to wait for one string consistency. So it will take 5 minutes, exactly 5 minutes. So in this Mysore Pagu, I am going to add the ghee and the oil. So 1 cup of ghee and 1 cup of oil. So this is the ghee guys. So here is 1 cup of ghee, and I am going to add 1 cup of oil into this. So here we have to check like this guys. Can you see one string consistency? So my syrup is ready, and I am going to add that besan. So I am going to add besan into this, and we have to mix. So in this ghee, I am going to add 1 cup of oil, and we have to heat guys. Switch on the flame, and we have to cook this one in a very low flame. And here can you see, we have to mix until there should not be any lump in this Mysore Pagu. And we have to add the ghee and oil little bit, then only we will get the smooth and buttery Mysore Pagu. So in this I am going to add little bit of ghee and oil. Don't add too much. And we have to mix. This sweet you can prepare under 10 minutes for Diwali or any festive season. So can you see the bubbles? That means we have to add little bit more of ghee and oil into this. The ghee and oil, it should be very hot guys. Then only we will get the layer of Mysore Pagu. We have to mix. Can you see the layers? That's why we are adding the oil. So after every 1 minute, we have to add the ghee and the oil. So can you see how it forms together? And it's time to add some more ghee. So can you see guys, it's not sticking to the pan. That means my Mysore Pak is ready, and I'm going to put this one in the plate. So I will show you. So take a big plate, and I added some ghee so that the Mysore Pak won't stick in the plate, because we are going to pour this Mysore Pak into this plate. Then we have to cut into pieces. That's why we are applying ghee, or you can apply oil also. And I'm going to put this Mysore Pak into this plate. So I put this Mysore Pak into this plate, and take a small bowl, and I applied little bit of ghee in the bowl also, and I'm going to do like this in a round shape. So can you see guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut into small pieces. So I cut into small pieces guys. If you want to cut into some more small pieces, you can. But yeah, so my Mysore Pak is ready. I will show you. This is very hot actually. So I cut into small piece. Can you see? So this is a quick video of how to make Mysore Pak, the South Indian traditional sweet for Diwali at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.